Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. To find the square root we are going to use the square root symbol and we'll write the number under the square root sign. So this is going to be square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. Now first we'll break 5 into 2 plus 3. So this we can write as 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 6, and this 6 can be written as 2 times 3. So this will be 2 plus 3 plus 2 square root of 2 times 3. Now here we can make use of the identity a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times a times b. So this term can be our 2 times a times b, and this can be a and this can be b. So we can write 2 as square root of 2 whole square, and 3 can be written as square root of 3 whole square, and this is the term 2 times a times b. So this full term is now simplified to root 2 plus root 3 whole square root. Now this is a whole square, and a square under the square root sign will cancel the square root, and we'll get square root of 2 plus square root of 3. This square and root sign will get cancelled. So the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6 will be equal to root 2 plus root 3. So this is the square root of 5 plus 2 root 6. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.